Experiencing your design is made possible through seamless concurrent engineering and simulation that begins at the earliest phase of product development, enabling you to deliver the right product at the right time. When products were simple, engineering was simple. However, the increasingly complex connected products of today require engineering teams to stay one step ahead by understanding and predicting product behavior as early as possible in the development process. CAD and CAE technologies have evolved. However, engineering practices and workflows have not kept pace. Most modeling and simulation functions today perform as specialized, siloed disciplines, with each using separate, often incompatible software tools. When a designer shares information, that information must be translated and reworked into simulation software. Rigid handovers to analysts slow down collaboration, disrupt innovation, and prevent companies from timely delivery of these more sophisticated products without additional resources. What if you could break down the walls between disciplines and free analysts and designers to innovate in harmony? Integrated modeling and simulation, or MODSIM, makes it possible. MODSIM is a lean approach to engineering that can revolutionize the productivity of engineers and product teams. Seamless engineering, using one model and starting at the earliest phase of product development, allows engineers to confidently deliver the right product at the right time. Using an integrated platform to support multidisciplinary collaboration, MODSIM makes it possible to virtually model complex shapes and simulate their performance and behavior. Embracing MODSIM allows you to experience all aspects of your design by predicting a product's behavior much earlier, removing the expense of physical prototyping. Explore more design alternatives, allowing you to optimize the design to best meet functional requirements and manufacturing constraints. Finally, accelerate collaborative innovation across dispersed teams who all work on the same data in real time. Discover how, by experiencing your product with integrated modeling and simulation, you can deliver better products faster.